Welcome to SecurityX CAS-005. In this section, we will explore Topic 4.1.3, Alerting. This includes understanding false positives and false negatives, alert failures, prioritization factors, and alert reporting with metrics. Let's begin with false positives and false negatives. A false positive happens when an alert is triggered, but there is no real threat. For example, a security system may flag a normal software update as malware. This can lead to wasted time and alert fatigue. A false negative is when a real threat occurs but goes undetected. This is more dangerous because it allows the threat to operate unnoticed, like ransomware slipping past antivirus software. Next, we look at alert failures. These happen when alerts are not generated, delayed, or never reach the intended team. This can be caused by misconfigured detection tools, overloaded systems, or network failures. For instance, a SIEM system might crash during high traffic, causing alerts to be missed during a cyber attack. Now, let's discuss prioritization factors. When many alerts are received, it's important to focus on the most critical ones. Criticality measures how essential an asset is to the business. For example, a hospital's patient record server is more critical than a public website. Impact refers to the potential damage an attack could cause. Asset type defines whether it is a server, endpoint, or network device. Residual risk is the remaining risk after controls are applied. And data classification helps identify the sensitivity of the data involved. For example, an alert involving classified financial data is more important than one about public blog content. Let's move to malware and vulnerability alerts. Malware alerts include detection of malicious code, like viruses, worms, or spyware. For example, endpoint protection may detect a keylogger on a user's laptop. Vulnerability alerts come from scanners that detect unpatched software. For instance, a scanner may report that a web server is missing a patch for a known CV that can be exploited. Now we move to reporting and metrics. Security alerts should be tracked and analyzed to identify trends and improve future response. Visualization helps teams spot patterns and make better decisions. Dashboards display real-time metrics like the number of high-priority alerts, time to resolution, or trends over time. For example, a dashboard might show an increase in phishing alerts every Monday morning, prompting awareness training. Effective alerting means filtering noise, reducing false positives, and acting fast on high-impact alerts. Tools like SIEM, EDR, and threat intelligence platforms help teams stay alert and informed. That wraps up our explanation of 4.1.3 alerting. In the next section, we'll dive into more advanced monitoring and response techniques.